This is a fabulous 1957 Chevy 3100 truck. You notice the step at the beginning of the bed there, and the spare tire where that's located. Beautiful two-toning here, blue and white, and that is carried on in the interior. This truck is at LakeMirror in Lakeland, Florida, one of the premier car shows here in Florida. It happens once a year. And this has a 6-cylinder engine, the overhead valve 6, of course. The chrome and paint are exceptional, and you can see it's won some prizes there. The emblems there in the grille. These cars and trucks were at a very fancy level. Pickup trucks used to be very plain, but obviously Chevy was not satisfied with that, so these trucks became just as fashionable as the cars. Notice the blue and white scheme inside, including the dash. And we have the tailgate, which definitely announces it's a Chevrolet. This is a beautiful truck. This also has the backup lamps too.